Yeah, look at Maisie. Aren't you clever? What you doing, Maeve? You up on your knees? Can you do some crawling? Not yet. But you're doing a great job. Yeah. Good exercises, Maeve. You're clever. Oh, nasty cough cough. Nasty cough cough. Oh, can you see a little speck on the carpet? Are you going to get it? You going to get that speck? Oh. Go on. You can. No, here you are. Up on your knees. Clever girl. How do you go forward? It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Yes. Now we put the camera there in front of the speck. Can you get it? You want to get it? Yeah. Come and get it. You can have this. Want this? You need to go forward. Can you go forwards? Just backwards. What's Liam doing? There's Liam. You're going backwards, sweetie. You need to come forward and get this and get that speck on the carpet. What's this? It's a tiny little pebble. You going to come and get it? Good girl. Yeah. Most annoying going backwards. Oh. Liam, you teach her how to do it. No, she's going back. She's going to hit the wall. Oh, Liam got the camera. Hello. Hello, cheeky boy. Cheeky boy. And cheeky boy. What are you doing all the way over there? Hey? Hey?